You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. There are two different pronunciations indeed, so it's a bit confusing. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Many more coming up at the end of this video. Two different ways. Palanquin. Palanquin. The alternative pronunciation, which is also correct in English, is as palanquin. So, palanquin or palanquin, both pronunciations are correct. How to pronounce palanquin, palanquin. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.